puppy formula. If anybody has ever fostered puppies, that is very familiar with it. So that is what they're being offered right now. Now, these two are being hand-reared just like their older brother, Robbie, who you guys can see out on our habitat. So Ty and Misha are mom and dad. And is it for real? It's his birthday. Woo! It's Robbie's birthday today. So we have been recommended to have them hand-reared. So because red pandas are an endangered species, they are managed by something called a species survival plan, or an SSP for short. And what that really kind of looks like is that all of the facilities that have red pandas across the Association of Zoos and Aquariums, we all list them. It looks kind of a little bit like glorified online dating. And so they all look at all of the genetics and make recommendations on which pairs they'd like to see breed in the oncoming years. And so we've been so fortunate that Ty and Misha have been recommended for breeding now 2 times in a row. But Lucia does have a little history